In this video, I'll guide you through how to download Free Fire in a computer or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To play Free Fire on a computer or laptop, you must need to download an emulator. First, you need to open the browser and search for BlueStack. Then open the first link. Then click on Download BlueStack. Then BlueStack emulator will download on your computer. Once the download process is complete, then you need to install it on your PC. After you install BlueStack, you need to open it and click on Play Store. To download anything from Google Play Store, you must need to sign in with a Google account. Then click on the search icon and search for Free Fire. Now click on Install button. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to download Free Fire on your emulator. Once the installation process is complete, then click on Play button. Here is the quick keyboard control for Free Fire gameplay. Now you need to download your additional file. Now you need to log in to your Free Fire account. Now you can play Free Fire using PC. To show keyboard control, you need to click on this keyboard icon and enable this.